In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Copilot in Excel with the latest update. We'll walk through what you need, where to click, and how to make sure everything is set up correctly so you can start using Copilot right inside your spreadsheets. First, it's important to understand that Copilot in Excel is a Microsoft feature, so you'll need a compatible version of Microsoft 365. Typically, this means you're using a business, enterprise, or education subscription where Copilot is included or has been enabled by your organization. If you're on a very old version of Office, or a one-time purchase like Office 2019, you likely won't see Copilot, no matter what you install. So before you get started, make sure your subscription is active and that you're signed in with the correct work or school account. Now, open Excel on your computer, not the web version yet. Once Excel is open, look at the top menu bar and confirm that you're connected to your Microsoft account. You should see your profile icon or initials in the top right corner. If you're not signed in, click there, sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials, and allow a moment for Excel to sync with your account. Next, we need to make sure Excel is fully up to date, because Copilot requires the most recent build. On Windows, go to the File tab at the top left, then choose Account near the bottom of the menu. On Mac, you can go to the Help menu and look for Check for Updates, or open the Microsoft Auto Update tool. In the Account section on Windows, look for the Office Updates or Update Options button. Then choose Update Now. Let Excel download and install any available updates. This can take a few minutes, and you may need to close and reopen Excel when it's done. After updating, open Excel again. If Copilot is available for your account and region, you should start to see a Copilot icon or a Copilot panel in the ribbon at the top, often on the Home tab. In some cases, there may be a dedicated Copilot tab. If you see it, click the icon to open the Copilot pane on the right side of your screen. From here, you don't need to install anything else. Copilot is built in. You can start by selecting a range of data and then using Copilot to analyze it, generate formulas, or create summaries. If you still don't see Copilot, it may not yet be enabled by your organization's admin, so everything on your end is already set up correctly, and that's how to install and enable Copilot in Excel using the latest update.